Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a admin user in your Windows computer. So, we have two kinds of user, one who has administration permission and another user who is not able to do anything related to administration, means that user don't have any kind of administration access. So, how we can create a admin user? I'm going to show you in a very easy step. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to right click on this option. It's called this PC. Right click and go to the manage. But if you don't have this icon on your computer, then you can do one thing. Open this file explorer over here. Then you will find that option. Just right click and manage. Then it will open this computer management program over here. After that, we are going to click over here, local user and group. Then double click on the user. Over here, as you can see, all the users are over here. Like this is your computer administration, which is by default will be disabled. This is the default account. This is my account. This is the guest account, and this is for the WDA guilty. Sorry, and this is the WDA utility account. Okay. So now we are going to create a new account which has the administration permission. So to do that, we are going to right click and then add a new user. You can give any name to the user. Suppose I'm going to give Pritham. Then you can add the full name, the description if you wanted to. Let's say okay, and the password. You can put the password over here. Okay. After that, uh, this thing is saying that user must change the password at logon. Means if you check this box, what it will do when this user going to log in on this PC, the system will ask him to change the password. I'm not going to do that. So yeah, this is the permission. You check that thing, it will remove the password changing access from this user, means he can't change his password, and this is for the password never expired, and if you want to disable their account, so this is for the that we are going to now create, then close it. So as you can see, there is another user and this is the description. So if we right click and go to the properties, okay, then member of, as you can see, this is the user of users, this is a member of users group. So this particular group don't have any kind of access, and if you create a secondary account over here, it will by default get the user permission. Now we are going to add admin access to it. So to do that, click over here, then you will find a box to select the groups for this particular user. So now click on the advanced, then over here click find now. After that, you can see there is a group called administrator. We are going to select it, then okay, and it will be visible over here, then okay. Now as you can see, this user called Pritam had it's become a member of the administration group. Apply okay, means this user will have all the admin access which this particular administration account typically has. You can also see the groups over here, like this is the administration group. You can just go to the properties and see all the details, like which users are under this particular group and all this. So if you find anything helpful from this video, please like the video and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you with another video.